Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to move a domain from one Shopify store to another. Whether we are rebranding or managing multiple stores, transferring the domain properly ensures our customers can still find us without any issues. Let's get started. First, we go to Settings. Settings can be found in the lower left part of the dashboard. Once we click that, we locate the domain section on the left side of the dashboard. Inside the domain section, we can see the list of domains. Here, we can see that our store is currently using this domain. If we want to change this, we will change the domain so it can be used with another store. To do this, we need to buy another domain. Once we have bought another domain, we just need to click Change Domain Type and set the new domain as the primary domain. Now, it is changing, processing, and the store is now using the new domain. This means our other domain is now free. We can use this domain with another store, so it will be used as the domain in the address bar. That's it. That is how we move a domain from one Shopify store to another. Taking the time to transfer it correctly helps avoid downtime and keeps the store running smoothly.